Hello and welcome. If you're new here, I'm Adrena and love helping small business owners thrive with practical tips and advice. I am the owner and accountant here at Accounting by Adrena. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more bookkeeping and small business tips. In today's video, we'll chat a little bit more about why I believe bookkeeping consistency is such a big deal. Keeping your financial records straight is key to running a smooth and successful business. It helps you stay organized, make informed decisions, and build credibility with clients and partners. But before we get into that, I need to get myself organized for the new month. Can you believe it's going to be September? August was a bit of a blur between getting COVID, being sick, and a busy start to the month. I'm definitely going to be grateful for the minor reprieve that September will bring for me. But it's going to get right back busy again in October through the end of the year. So I got to just buckle up and hold on for the upcoming wild ride. In September, like I said, I don't have a lot going on, but I like to use this time to really plan out my month. But actually before that, I need to clean my office. I kind of left it a mess the past couple of weeks. And so what I like to do in terms of making sure things are organized is I just get all of the paper from wherever I left it and pile it into one big pile. And then I go through that individually. I make sure that I'm shredding the items that need to be shredded and trashing the items that need to be trashed. So one of the piles that I have is items that need to be filed. Another pile I have is items that need to be mailed. Another one I have some mail that I usually check the PO box for one of my clients. So I have some mail for him that I need to make sure I'm keeping track of, and just some other random things for my wedding. I just want to make sure I'm keeping everything in the same place. My mom's birthday is actually coming up in September. It's the day before this video goes live. And so I want to make sure that I'm sending her her birthday gift well in advance so she actually receives it before her birthday. And then on that same note, my sister's birthday is coming up in October. So same thing, I'm going to make sure that I mail out her gift well in advance of her actual birthday so she has a present to open on their birthdays. The other things that I like to focus on in terms of scheduling my calendar is just making sure I'm plotting out when I'm going to be doing movement, like my workouts. I've been pretty consistent actually with a lot of the different workouts and the goals that I have for myself. So I've been doing strength training about twice a week so far. And then I've been going swimming once a week. I've been doing a lot more walking. I'm trying to get to at least 30 minutes to an hour of walking each day. So what I've been doing, just because the weather's been really hot, is pulling out my walking treadmill desk that I have here in the office and just doing that as a start to my work day. I don't even notice that I'm walking when I'm doing that because I'm so focused on my work. It kind of just flies by. So I just have to keep being mindful about the time because I do have a lot of meetings that happen in the morning. I don't have a lot of major things happening in September, but I do have some really fun things. I've been doing a lunch club once a month with some friends of mine. And then every so often, probably once a quarter or so, I've been doing a co-working session with she's like the marketing person for my business. So she's been helping me with marketing and strategy. And then I'm also a client of hers. So we get together every so often and do a co-working session. So I'm looking forward to that. That's coming up this month. And some other random things happening, but nothing major. So I am looking forward to a reprieve and being able to stay home and focus on my goals, focus on my business, and get some more wedding planning done. We've been doing pretty good in terms of wedding planning. So we've stayed pretty on task, which has been really helpful. September is kind of the reprieve, and then I'm busy again in October and November, and then it's the wedding. So my goal for September is to stock my freezer with freezer meals. I've been working on the grocery list related to that and which recipes I want to do. So I'm going to be working on that over the next week or so. I'm recording this at the end of August, and that way I can go grocery shopping about the second week in September. And then that following weekend, I'll be working on the meal preps for the freezer. So that way, I just want to make sure that I have some like breakfast options, some snack options, some lunch options, and then like dinner options in terms of like things that can go in the crock pot or, something that's made in the casserole pan. And that way I can defrost it in the refrigerator. And then the next day I can bake it in the oven. Those are kind of like my loose plans so far, just because I want to make sure like I'm using what I already have in the freezer right now, like the whole first in, first out situation, so that nothing goes bad. So I'm really focusing on reducing our food waste as well with this. Now let's dive into why bookkeeping consistency is important and share some easy tips to help you maintain consistent bookkeeping practices. So first off, keeping your bookkeeping consistent is key to running a smooth business. It helps you keep your financial records straight, stay compliant, and make informed financial decisions. Plus, it boosts your business's credibility and sets you up for long-term success. Consistency is crucial. Using the same methods and practices helps keep everything on track and growing strong. So understanding the flow of your finances, particularly where your money comes from, is a cornerstone of bookkeeping. This understanding begins with a general ledger, which is often referred to as the GL. The general ledger is the central hub of your accounting system, housing all of your financial transactions. It's a compilation of various accounts such as banking accounts, income accounts, assets, liabilities, expenses, and depreciation, among others. Every financial transaction, no matter how small, plays a significant role in maintaining reliable financial records. Even seemingly minor transactions accumulate, contributing to the overall accuracy of your financial statements. By promptly recording every transaction, you ensure transparency and accountability in your financial operations. This meticulous approach meets regulatory requirements and provides a clear audit trail, which is invaluable for decision-making in financial analysis. There are several reasons why timely and accurate bookkeeping is important. The first reason, it prevents errors. Recording details while fresh in your mind reduces the risk of forgetting or misremembering key information. The second reason, it ensures accuracy. Prompt recording allows for better cross-referencing with receipts and invoices, minimizing your discrepancies. And the last and final point is it provides up-to-date financial information. Having the latest financial data at your fingertips is essential for making informed decisions, managing cash flow effectively, and maintaining overall financial health. Consistent and thorough bookkeeping also helps you identify patterns and trends in your business. This insight can highlight potential areas for improvement or cost savings, giving you a complete picture of your financial health. Armed with this knowledge, you can make informed decisions that drive growth and sustainability for your business. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like this video and leave me any questions down in the comments section. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.